So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. What do you do when you get into a car crash as a driver, Uber driver?
Oh wow,
this
that
is
was bad.
The Uber driver's worst nightmares. This, get into a car crash.
Yeah, a drunk driver crashed into their car.
Comment below, what would you do? What's the first thing you're doing? The airbags go off here? Oh, airbags. That's expensive. You know it costs like $1,000 to put your airbag back in?
Really?
Yeah, if your airbag blows, because you gotta think about it, you gotta put a new bag in there. You gotta fix because I believe when it blows, it like breaks like the whole front dash thing. Like you gotta replace it.
What the heck?
I'm pretty sure it's like $1,000. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong.
I thought you just put it back in and then it was good.
Doesn't it pop?
I've never been in a crash, so I don't know.
Yeah, literally, knock on wood, because I would not want to get into that. But yeah, what would you do in this situation, Izzy?
Well, first thing I need to do, contact my insurance.
Yes.
By the way, you should have rideshare insurance. That's really important if you're going to be a driver.
Yeah.
There's like specific rideshare insurance you can get.
True.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
That was the Uber driver's car. So this was
someone crashed into the back, and so it pushed their car and destroyed the front.
Holy smokes. And it even like, look at the oil leaking too from like, oh wait, no, wait, was it a multiple car pileup? Because that was the front of that. That's the same car.
That's the same car?
Because you can see in the front, the airbag's out. It looks like it's the same car.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, because you can see the little...
It got rear-ended and then it pushed them into something in front of them.
Who knows? 142 comments. But yeah, what do you do in this situation? Yeah, first of all, make sure that you're safe. Put it that way. Make sure you're safe.
You should have a dash cam.
Have a dash cam, please. And yeah, you wanna freaking what's it called? You wanna call your insurance. I was at a red light. Somebody crashed their SUV into the back of my car. I called police. Other driver was drunk. I loved my car. Not sure what is going to be the next step. Gosh, that sucks.
Yeah.
Oh, they sued because that guy was a drunk. You talk to a lawyer. I honestly might consider talking to a lawyer. Yeah. Oh, we could talk to Legal Rideshare. Oh yeah, here we go. We had an interview with Legal Rideshare. Didn't we make a whole video about what to do? You're gonna get into a car crash?
Yeah, I think there is a whole video.
Yeah, but I'll do a little quick plug real quick. We're not getting paid for this, by the way. This is just literally, like, we don't have a referral code or anything. But we did talk to them, and we did make a video with them, and they are very legit. They are legal rideshare injury lawyers. But you can also contact them, guys, if you have other, like, legal questions. Like, they look at all these payouts. Injured worker, $2.4 million. Holy crap.
Oh, wow.
Injured gig worker, 200 grand. I mean, come on. This is the lowest one in 200K. There's no way you're making 200 grand doing Uber. It's it's like you're making, you know, this is a good payout. Injured worker slip and fall. What the... Oh, maybe that wasn't a gig worker. Injured e-scooter rider hit pothole and won 600 grand. Holy crap. Okay, guys. Yeah,
Wow.
no, literally, if you do get into a car crash, reach out to these guys. They will help you point you to the right direction. Yeah, they
specialize
Uber
in
accidents.
Gig accidents.
Yeah, so it's not just for injuries, guys. It's for accidents too. It's like scooter accidents, bikes. They're apparently very qualified in this sector. So, yeah, this is the guy we had on our channel, Bryant Greening. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, I would stay away from all these Reddit comments. I would just talk to a lawyer pretty quick. But yeah. Okay, let's move on. Uber makes an app update. Oh, let's read the chat real quick. This is totaled. Okay. No hope for the Uber driver. Well, yeah, I mean, somebody said call the police. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.